Hello everyone. I thought this week, bearing in mind it had been a bit windier, that we could have a go at making a wind vane. So what you need is a plate, you need a piece of card, so I've just got an old sweets box that I had, you need some sellotape, you need a piece of Play-Doh or plasticine, something like that, a little pin, you'll need either plastic or polystyrene cup, a straw and a pencil. Now what you do, you take your plate and that's going to be there to give it a bit of weight. So onto it you're going to put your Play-Doh onto the bottom, just move it around a little bit, ready so that the cup can push onto there nicely like that. So it's going to be holding out, it's going to go upside down, it's not falling off. Okay. Now to that, you take your piece of card, and onto it you draw the compass points, and you also make a small hole through the centre of it. On your cup, you also make a small hole on there, and that's important for later on. You then take your piece of card with your compass points on it and you stick that to your base. So if I just quickly add that on there so you can see what I've done. There. Making sure that the holes match up. Now what you do next, you take your straw and your pin, and you do have to be careful with this. So if you're thinking I might not be able to do this so well, then ask somebody at home to help you, ask an adult to help you. But you're going to put through the middle of your straw the pins. Be very, very careful. Okay. So we've got that sort of situation where it will spin around. And that's what's going to be important for when the wind direction is going to be measured. Now what you do now is you get another piece of tape and you add 2 triangles that you've cut out with another piece of card. So it's literally going to stick them on. So I've got a bit of an arrow head onto my weather vane at one end, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing at the other end, so it looks like this. There we go. Okay, now mine's not done particularly well, you can do a lot better than this. Now what you'll do, you're going to take your pin and you're going to push it through a pencil. So it goes through the rubber at the end of a pencil, like that. Okay. Now my arrowheads have slipped around a little bit, but you get the idea. You then place your pencil into your base and you have a weather vane, which will then, when the wind blows, it will naturally spin in the right direction. Now you need to know which is north, south, east and west. So the way that to do that is to get Google, go onto Google Maps, find where you live, and at the bottom there's a little marker down there which you can press, and that will automatically shift it so that its north is going upwards. You can then go outside with your weather vane, place it on the ground, making sure that the north is facing towards a point that you know is north from Google Maps, and then you'll be able to measure the wind direction when it starts to work, when it starts to get windy or breezy or something like that. So have a go at that, and let's see if there's any wind direction changes over the next week or so. Bye for now.